Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Mateo, California. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how much I made doing mini details for the whole day. So let's get right into it. Follow me along.
So Tony, it seems like you're getting booked more often. What's your secret?
I don't think there's really like a secret. I think it's just, I feel like these the time that I have doing this detailing and stuff like on my own, just accumulating the clients that I've already had over the years, and then Instagram ads have definitely helped out a bit, getting me new clients, more exposure. But for the most part, a lot of these people that keep booking are like clients from the past, so not all of them are new. I'd probably say 20% of my clients that I've been getting are new, and the rest of the 80% are clients I've already had in the past. So I feel like I kind of built a decent amount of clientele that just keeps hitting me up because they like my work and they support me, and then just trying to keep doing the same quality work every single time.
So Tony, today you were working by yourself. Last time we saw that you had help from Edwin. Do you like when you work by yourself because you keep most of the profit, or do you like getting help because it's less work?
It depends on the day and the type of jobs that we have. It really varies, because it is nice to have help. It's a lot less like stress on me, and it leaves me with a bit more energy once we're done with the day and stuff. Sure, I make less money usually, but there is potential to make more money when you have someone. It just depends on the type of jobs you guys book and how bad the vehicles are. And there's a lot of things, a lot of variables that have to do with how much you can make, and then it also varies on how much you pay the person. But I guess at the end of the day, I would rather have someone help me out than doing it all by myself, just because you get burnt out a lot faster doing it by yourself.
All right, Tony, so how much was your first detail, and then the ones that followed it?
So our first detail that we did at 7 a.m., we did 2 Subaru sedans. They have been maintenance clients for about 2 years now, usually every month, and we charge them $160 for both. Then our second detail was 2 Broncos. One of them was a first-time client. One of them was a weekly maintenance client that we've had for 2 years now. So for the weekly maintenance client, we charged him $65, and for the new client with the 4-door Bronco, that was $120. And then our last detail of the day, this Kia SUV. This is he's a pretty good client. We've had him for about a year or two. He hits us up whenever he's ready, but he does bring us in quite amount of work, so we still hook him up a little bit. We charged him $100 for his SUV. So we made roughly for today about $445 if I got my math correctly. Yeah, we got $445 for today for 5 vehicles, 7 a.m. to about 5:30 p.m. And then we probably only drove today for roughly an hour and a half of driving time.
Why are you working so much?
I got a lot of things to pay off. I've been probably let's see, the past couple 5 months I've been spending more than what I make, and I'm kind of doing that on purpose, trying to reinvest back into the business as much as I can, but also I do like my fun stuff. So I got a little race car that I'm trying to build and whatnot, so I got to save money aside for that. I'm trying to buy properties, get a shop. So I don't know, I need to work. I need to do something. I can't just be laying around. I got to work as much as possible. The only times that I can't really work sometimes is when it rains, so that slows me down a bit. So I'll take that as my days off most of the time. But when it's not raining, I'm just try to book up as much as I can of the day and just send it.
So Tony, what's the most stressful thing about running a detailing business?
I'd say for me, since I'm running it pretty much on my own, I'm kind of like a one-man team right now, and I have been for the most part for the past almost 4 years now. Having to do everything by yourself, every single little thing, post, stories, communication with clients, customers, getting back to everyone on a timely manner, getting all the jobs done by yourself, trying to provide that quality, the same quality finish every single time, while still trying to stick to the schedule without being too late to all the appointments and stuff. Really, everything gets pretty stressful, but it's doable. And just, I guess another thing would be trying not to get burnt out, especially since I'm trying to work every single day, Monday through Sunday, book up as much time as I can. It's hard not to get burnt out sometimes, so that's like probably something.
So Tony, if there's someone that wants to start a detailing business and they think they're gonna get like 100 customers on their first day, what advice would you give them?
Definitely lower down your expectations. Stay committed. Don't get too frustrated when you don't get your goal, the amount of clients that you want, the amount of money that you want to make per day. Kind of just take it day by day and try to improve every single day, wherever you can in all areas of your life. But really focus on you, your quality, and making sure that your clients are happy and satisfied with your work. And try not to focus too much on anyone else's like detailing business. That's about it. Just send it, go all in. All right, well, there you guys have it. That's how much we made doing mini details for the full day today. We were supposed to do 6 cars in total, but we only got to do 5, which is all right, because if we did 6, it would have been a bit longer time frame. So we got started at 7 a.m. and we got done about 5:30 p.m. So with another car included, we probably would have ended around 7:30 p.m. So it was a pretty long day regardless, and you guys got to see how much I made in a day. Let me know in the comments down below how much you guys make in one day, especially with these type of details, these mini details, the basics, maintenance, things like that. And remember, if you guys like these type of videos, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.